In terms of automation, I take the approach that every second counts. And if I can squeeze a single ounce more out of the system, then that's what I would do.
Take full advantage of the automation technology found in the collection to reduce the busy work and spend more time focused on what's most important.
Essentially, we can reuse that sketch data again and again across different parts. We can make major geometry changes and we haven't got to go in and manually touch every single part.
Rapidly configure products to meet customer spec.
To model an impeller manually took a couple of days previously. With the iLogic program, it takes about 15 minutes. If we're modeling, hundreds of impellers a year, to create this program was absolutely worth it.
iLogic and Inventor is crucial to what I do here. Without iLogic embedded in Inventor, I wouldn't be able to do the things that I can today and get things done fast. I've had to create designs where I had to create 2,500 user parameters, and I was able to write a short little line of code to generate those parameters and populate them. It's just huge. Using iLogic and Inventor has definitely helped us reach higher levels of quality.
Design more efficiently using tools specific to the job at hand.
The most valuable tool that we use in Inventor would have to be the sheet metal characteristics, which is directly related to our laser cutter. It allows us to create models quicker and then generate the files needed for our laser cutter.
Streamline the move to manufacturing.
Inventor has definitely sped up our process and made things more repeatable. So doing that takes some of the engineering out of it and some of the stress off of us.